What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we held 48.70, well, really 74, but 72 was that area. It's an area of interest, of course. Held it again today. It looks like we had the Netflix earnings kind of boost us up here into this after hours or this overnight session that we got started here up today. But we were trending towards those highs, most definitely, right? So we know we held this breakout over the all-time highs here at 48.41, and then we moved sideways and now we started going up again. So what does that mean going until tomorrow? Well, first things first, let's go check the economic data. Lots of mortgage data coming out at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so 2.5 hours before market opens. And then we have GDP, or excuse me, then we have nothing coming out in the actual pre-market. That's what I meant to say. We have I'm sorry, I'm thinking on to Thursday for some reason. Thursday, GDP and jobless will be ready for that. But nonetheless, for tomorrow, just have that mortgage data. And we have data 15 minutes in. We got the U.S. manufacturing and composite PMI. That's right at 9:45. So 15 minutes into the market open, we have to pay attention to that, and a bunch of oil data 1 hour after the market open. So really a very light day tomorrow. Onto the charts here. Let's see what happens. If we gap up overnight, likely just look for the retest at 4,900, right? Let's say we gap up to, say we go and hit 49.20, 49.30 overnight. I'd probably look for this back test here into 4,900. If we get lower, 48.72. But I do think if we break out of this zone and break back into it, we'd likely come down and test here. I wouldn't be so confident long in this area again. I'd really be focusing on 48.41. That'd be my most high confident long there. If we get down to that area easily, had the breakout, could easily see new highs from there. Same thing here on SPY chart can be very similar. 42, really 43 held again. 43 held again. So broke over and into highs on the Netflix as. So if we gap up, watch the back test into 485. If we break back underneath 485, likely 482 gets tested. I think the break and hold on 482 would take us down to 478, 480. That's my most high confident long. That'd be like 48, 41 on ES. On to the two. Onto the QQQ chart, as you can see, we had 421 listed, but we could see, what did we say today? We said even a little dip under 421, 420 could hold, and we got right in that zone and ripped up higher. Now, did not make a new high quite yet, but 424, what is this, 73? Looks like we're trying to get there, so we'll be trading around that level. Let's see if we gap up and over that tomorrow. We'll be the same game plan as SPY. If we do gap up over it, look for the back test into 424.75. If we are underneath it, look for the rip into impossible fail. Really short trade is set up under 420, opens up 417, excuse me, 416, 413. 413 would be the back test of those previous highs on QQQ. On to IWM. Very nice continuation. We actually filled the gap on the daily chart, right? So I just highlighted these areas of balance. I'm going to take these out now just because we have lots of new price action that we need to pay attention to, but those were just there for the convenience. We can see we filled this gap here, so we can get rid of this. Now we have a new gap. We have a new gap. So I will be watching now for this gap fill down to 193. 193, I think we get a bounce in there. I'd be looking for 193, no lower than 192. So 193, look for the long bounce, and then you can use 192 as your stop loss. That's what I would be looking for in there. Over 199, you could see 202, 205 from there. That's if we get boogie shoogie doogie to the upside. Guys, starting new swing today. Hood. I put it on the hood. I'm good. Nice trade here, as we could see, kind of balancing down here. I want to go down to the 4-hour chart. Sorry about that. Right. We could see we had some areas down here. I'm looking any ads into 1075, 1062 to hold. Stop loss wouldn't be until under 10. We have March contracts here. So I really like this trade to the upside. Just a starter position today. We'll add on any dips. I want to see these areas hold. If they do, looking long and strong through 11, opens up 1155 through 1155. Easily can come up here and see 13 from there. That's my high confidence swing right now. Looks like coin is also in an area to bounce as well. So liking this trade to the upside here. So let me know how it works out for you guys. Other than that, guys, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.